Today we're going to try rainbow makeup together. I'm out of foundation, so we're going to test out this one from Maybelline. By the way, I really liked it. Use concealer to brighten the area under the eyes and blend the nasolabial folds with your finger. You can do it with a brush, but I prefer to use my finger. Our goal is to prep the face as much as we can. Set everything with powder. We'll do a light contour. In principle, you don't have to contour, but I'm not sure how pigmented my colors will be. So just to be safe, I'm gonna do my whole face. Making myself look like Bella Hadid, I add a little highlighter and start drawing the rainbow. Starting with red. Roughly outlining the line that'll go across my whole face, I blend the borders. The next color is orange. I'll apply it and blend it into the red so you can't see the borders. Next is yellow. We blend it into the orange, blend from light to dark here. I felt the red line was too thin compared to the orange and yellow, so I thickened it. Next, we're taking up the green color, blending it into the yellow using yellow eyeshadow. Next, we are going to use blue, and we will also blend it with the green using green eyeshadow. I almost forgot about pink. Let's blend it with red. We'll blend the purple into the blue and blend the edge of the purple. Actually, you could skip the blending and make the edges more defined. Draw the arrows on the eyes with black liner. Don't forget about the mascara and going over the highlighter again. I'm undecided whether the black or nude lipstick would be better. Let's settle for nude. Adding some lip gloss. I'll go over the powder on clean skin again. If you thought this was it, you're wrong. We're adding stars to our makeup. And a white wig to make our makeup pop, and it's all done.